Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a big news for you. The New South Wales government has introduced new rules for the overseas license holders who are arriving in New South Wales on or after 1st of July 2023. If you're arriving in New South Wales as a temporary resident, as a student, or anyone who is intended to stay more than 6 months in New South Wales, you must convert your overseas driving license into a New South Wales driving license. It depends on which country you come from, either it's India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, or China, or any other country. So you must convert your overseas driving license into New South Wales driving license within 6 months of your arrival into the country, and anyone failing to do so can face hefty fines. Now, what will happen to the people who have been living in New South Wales before 1st of July 2023? So those who have arrived before 1st of July 2023, they can continue driving in New South Wales on their overseas licenses, provided it is still a valid license, it's in English, and it's not been suspended due to excessive loss of demerit points. Now, I'm sure some of you have a question how to get a New South Wales driving license. It depends on how old is your overseas license from your country. If it's more than 3 years old, you can convert your overseas license into New South Wales driving license. It depends on which country is your license from. From some countries, you can just directly convert your license. Some countries, you do have to sit a driver knowledge test, which is a computer test, and a practical driving test. Thanks so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel for my future videos. See you in the next video. Thank you.